Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Class 10 Science Most Important Question for Board Exams. On the basis of blueprint, it is expected. Best of luck for your exams. As you know, in the chapter 1, the name is chemical reaction and equation. There are two most important topics that are types of chemical reaction and corrosion. Chapter number 2, there are the name of chapter is acid, base and salts. The most important topic are how do acid and base react with each other with diagram also. Second, acid and base reaction with each other, that is neutralization reaction must also read. Third, pH diagram. Fourth, some common, the name of common salt and only its formulas, not more than its formulas. Chapter number 3, that is metals and non-metals. In is the properties, you must have to read the properties of metal and non-metals. With its, you have to read metal reaction with solution and other salts. Chapter number 4, the chapter number 4 name is carbon and its compound. In its chapter you have to firstly read carbon covalent bond and its characteristics. Second, nomenclature of carbon bonds, that is alcohol, ethanol, ethanoic acid, etc. Number third is chemical properties of carbon compounds, and the most important topic is soap and detergent. In it, Michel formation also comes in board exams. Chapter number 5, life process. Chapter number 5, life process. In it there are two. वैसे इस चैप्टर में, इन दिस चैप्टर यू हैव टू रीड एक्सक्रिएटरी सिस्टम, रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, बट यू मस्ट हैव टू रीड रेस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सक्रिएटरी ऑन माई बेसिस, एंड you have to read, if you have time then you must read any other things, but you must have to focus respiration and excretory system also. Chapter number 6, control and coordination. In this chapter you must have to read and learn the diagram of neuron, topic number 1, and topic number 2 you have to read human brain with diagram, with hindbrain and etc. That there are three types of brain, you have to read it. In chapter number 7, how do organism reproduce, in it you have to read fission and sexual reproduction in plant and animals. This topic is must necessary for board exams. Chapter number 8, heredity and evolution. In this chapter you have to read Mendel experiment, Dorf experiments, Mendel experiments, and evolution and its classification. Evolution and its classification you have to read in this chapter. Chapter number 9, light reflection and refraction. In it you have to read lens formula, mirror formula, power of lens, and with refraction of light. In it you have to read twinkling of stars. You have to read twinkling of stars, Tyndall effect also. Chapter number 10, human eye and colorful world. You have to read twinkling of stars and Tyndall effect in this chapter. You have to read prism in this chapter. You have to read human eye and its old effect. In old effects you have to find that there are too many errors, too many defects in human body. You have to read that from exams that are most important for board exam. After it you have to read chapter number 11, that is electricity. In it you have to read Ohm's law and electric current. Chapter number 11 का second topic, that is resistance. In it series and parallel combination you must have to read for board exams. Chapter number 11 electricity is now finishes. Chapter number 12, magnetic effects or electric current. In it you have to must read right hand thumb rule, Fleming left hand right hand thumb rule, magnetic field due to a circular loop, and electric generator. Electric generator and electric motor, there are two topics in this chapter. You must have to read electric generator or electric motor. Both two topics are of course same types. Both are works on like a same phenomena. Chapter number 13, our environment. In this chapter you have to read ecosystem and its component, and the most important topic is ozone layer and its depletion. You must have to read these topics. If you like video, please subscribe or comment.